So welcome students to my channel once again. In this video I have brought this question for you all. So look at the question. A series has been given to us. Okay, look at the series carefully. If 1 to the power 4 by 1 into 3 plus 2 to the power 4 by 3 into 5 plus 3 to the power 4 by 5 into 7 plus dot 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 up to n to the power 4 by 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1 is equal to 1 by 48 into f of n plus n by 16 into 2n plus 1, then f of n is equal to dash. That means we have to find the value of this f of n. Okay, four options have been given. You have to find which one is correct among these. Okay, this is the given series. This is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term. In this way, this is the nth term. Okay, nth term equal to this has been given to us. We have to find the value of fn. Clear? So see how to do this kind of sum. This is a very important sum for joint entrance aspirants, okay, who are willing to give JEE. This is a very important sum for them. Okay, so see here, it is the first term, it is the second term, it is the nth term. Okay, so nth term Tn, we denote nth term by Tn. Tn is equal to n to the power 4 by 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1. Okay, clear? Okay, Achha, this can be written as n to the power 4 a minus b into a plus b, a square, that means 2n square, a square minus b square. Okay, so this will be n to the power 4, 2n square means 4n square minus 1. Clear? So here, this is in the numerator we have n to the power 4, in the denominator we have 4n square minus 1. So this is the dividend, this is the divisor. Okay, now you see one thing carefully. Suppose you divide 5 by 2. Okay, if you divide 5 by 2, 5 by 2 you divide in this way. Okay, you divide in this way, 2 then 5. Okay, so 5 is the dividend. 5 is the dividend, 2 is the divisor. 2 is the divisor, 5 is the dividend. Now if you do the division, 2 2s are 4, 1. This 1 is called the remainder. Okay, this 2 is called the quotient. You all know this. Okay, like a class 2-3 students also know this. This is the divisor, this is the 2 is the divisor, 5 is the dividend, 2 is the quotient, 1 is the remainder. So if you see 5 is equal to 2 into 2 plus 1. That means 5 is the dividend. Dividend is equal to, this is the divisor, this is the quotient. So divisor into quotient plus remainder. We all know this, that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So similarly, see here, n to the power 4 is in the numerator, like 5 by 2, 5 is in the numerator, 5 is the dividend, 2 is the divisor. So here the dividend is n to the power 4 and this is the divisor. That means if you divide 4n square minus 1, if you divide n to the power 4, okay, if we divide n to the power 4 by 4n, okay, if we divide n to the power 4 by 4n square minus 1, then n to the power 4 is the dividend, this is the divisor. Now you all know how to do the division. Okay, we all know, we have learned this in class 7. Okay, so at first we have to divide n to the power 4 by this first term of the divisor. Okay, so if you divide n to the power 4 by 4n square, what will be the answer? It will be n square by 4, isn't it so? So it is n square by 4. Okay, then you have to multiply minus 1 with n square by 4. Okay, Achha, this will be n 4n square into n square by 4 is n to the power 4. Okay, 4n square into n square by 4 is equal to n to the power 4. Then you have to multiply minus 1 with n square, minus 1 with n square by 4. It will be minus n square by 4. Okay, now you have to subtract. This will become minus, this will become plus. So this will cancel each other. So now what will be the dividend? N square by 4. Okay, now again we have to divide n square by 4 by 4n square. Now again we have to divide n square by 4 by 4n square. Okay, as this is the dividend. Okay, now n square by 4 by 4n square will be n square by 4 into 1 by 4n square. Okay, so n square cancel, it will be 1 by 16. So it will be now plus 1 by 16 is equal to n square by 4. Okay, now again we have to multiply minus 1 with plus 1 by 16, it will be minus 1 by 16. Okay, so now if we subtract, it will become minus, it will become plus. This will cancel each other, plus 1 by 16. So this can't be divided. So this is the remainder. So here n to the power 4 is the dividend. This 4n square minus 1 is the divisor. This is the quotient, n square by 4 plus 1 by 16. This whole is quotient and this is the remainder. Okay, so applying that formula, so n to the, for dividend can be written as divisor. What is divisor? 4n square minus 1, 4n square minus 1 divisor into quotient. What is quotient? This one, n square by 4 plus 1 by 16. N square by 4 plus 1 by 16. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. So n to the power 4 can be written as this one. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here we will write like that. See, in place of n to the power 4 we can write this one, 4n square minus 1, 4n square minus 1 into 4n square minus 1. In place of n to the power 4 I am writing 4n square minus 1 bracket n square by 4 plus 1 by 16 bracket n square by 4 plus 1 by 16 plus remainder. Remainder is 1 by 16. 1 by 16. Okay. And in the denominator we have 4n square minus 1. Okay. I hope you understand. I hope you understood what I said just right now. N to the power 4 is the dividend. This is the divisor. So dividend can be written as divisor into quotient plus remainder. And here in the denominator we have, as I am writing as it is. Okay. So now if you divide, this will be 4n square minus 1 into 4n square minus 1 into n square by 4 plus 1 by 16. N square by 4 plus 1 by 16. 4n square minus 1. Okay. Then we have plus 1 by 16 4n square minus 1. Okay. So if you divide this, it will be like this. This by this plus this by this. Okay. So here you see this and this will cancel each other. Okay. So it will be n square by 4 plus 1 by 16. Okay. n square by 4 plus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 16 into 4 n square minus 1. Okay. 1 by 16 to 4 n square minus 1. Okay. Okay, this can be written as n square by 4 plus 1 by 16 plus, I will multiply both the numerator and denominator by 2. So if we multiply both, the 1 into 2 is 2. Okay. 16 into 2 is 32. 4 n square minus 1. Okay. Okay. Okay, now this we are finding, this is the nth term of the series. Nth term of the series has been given to us, n to the power 4 by 2n minus 1 by 2n plus 1. Okay. So now we are calculating or simplifying the given expression. Okay. Okay, now this will be n square by 4 plus 1 by 16 plus, okay, now 2 by 32 into 4n square minus 1. Okay, this will be 2 by 32. Okay, 4n square minus 1 can be written as 2n plus 1 into 2n minus 1. Okay, clear? So now what will I do? N square by 4 plus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 32 into 2 by 2n plus 1 2n minus 1. Okay, clear? Okay, now n square by 4 plus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 32. Okay, this 2 can be written as 2n plus 1 minus 2n plus 1. 2n minus 2n will cancel each other. 1 plus 1 is 2. It is remaining the same. Okay, so into 2n plus 1 into 2n minus 1. Okay. Okay, so this can be written as n square by 4 plus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 32 2n plus 1 2n minus 1. Okay, now 2n plus 1, this minus 2n minus 1. Okay, 2n plus 1 minus 2n plus 1 can be written as 2n plus 1 minus bracket within bracket 2n minus 1. Okay, clear? So this will be n square by 4 plus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 32 into, this will be, if we divide 2n plus 1 by 2n plus 1 into 2n minus 1. Okay, then minus 2n minus 1 in the denominator 2n plus 1 into 2n minus 1. Okay, so now 2n plus 1 will cancel each other, 2n minus 1 will cancel each other. So ultimately tn, this is where we are doing operation on tn only. Okay, so tn is ultimately coming out as n square by 4 plus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 32 into 1 by 2n minus 1 minus 1 by, here we have, this will be 2n minus 1 will cancel 2n, it is 2n plus 1 will remain intact. Okay, okay, so it will be 2n plus 1. Okay, so 2n plus 1, 2n minus 1 will cancel each other, so it will be 1 by 2n minus 1 minus 1 by 2n plus 1. Okay, so now what, so now Sn, that means sum of n terms. Okay, so sum of n terms will be sigma n is equal to 1 up to n tn. Okay, Sn will be sigma tn, n is from 1 to n. Okay, so this will be n square by 4 plus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 32 into 1 by 2n minus 1 minus 1 by 2n plus 1. Okay, clear? Okay, now this will be n square by 4 plus 1 by 16. Okay, plus 1 by 32. Okay, 1 by 2n minus 1 minus 1 by 2n plus 1. Okay, so this will be n square by 4 plus 1 by 16 plus, this is the constant, this will come out, one by 2n minus 1 minus 1 by 2n plus 1. Okay, okay. So here this is 1 by 4 will come out, 1 by 4 will come out, n square. Acha, sigma 1 by 16 will be n by 16. Okay, plus 1 by 32. Okay, so sigma here is from 1 to n, so it will be 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1, that means 2 minus 1, that means 1 by 1, that is 1, minus 1 by, if we put 1 in place of n, 2 into 2 4. Okay, oh, sorry, 2 into 1, 2 into 1, if we put 1 in place of n, this first term will be 1 by 1, and this second term will be 1 minus 2 into 1 plus 1, that means 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3, plus, if we put 2 in place of 2, 1 by 2 into 2, 4 minus 1, 1 by 3, minus 1 by 5. In this way it will continue up to this one, up to this much, 1 by 2n minus 1 minus 1 by 2n plus 1. Okay, see, it will be, if we put n, if we put 1 in place of n, it will be 1 minus 1 by 3. If we put 2 in place of n, it will be 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. In this way it will continue up to the nth term, this one, up to this much, 1 by 2n minus 1 minus 1 by 2n plus 1. Okay, so this will be 1 by 4 into, what is the formula of sigma n square? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay, plus n by 16 plus 1 by 32. See, every this one, this second term will cancel, third term, fourth term will cancel, fifth term. In this way it will continue. Finally what will remain? Finally what will remain? 1 minus 1 by 2n plus 1. Finally this will remain. Okay, all the term will cancel each other. Okay, so finally this will remain. So yes, so we are doing operation on this n, sn, this is all, these are all sn, sum of n terms. Okay, so sn is equal to this will be n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 24. Okay, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 24. Okay, plus n by 16 n by 16 plus 1 by 32 into plus 1 by 32 into LCM will be 2n plus 1, LCM will be 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1, in the numerator will be 2n plus 1 minus 1, 2n plus 1 minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 will cancel each other. Okay, so it will be okay. Okay, considering these two, taking these two, this first term and second term, 24 and 16, what will be the LCM? 24 and 16. 24 and 16. 4 6 are 24, 4 4 are 16. 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4. So it will be 4 into 2 into 3 into 2. 8 into sorry, it is wrongly done. Acha. 24 into 16. 2 12s are 24, 2 8s are 16. Okay. 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So LCM will be 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 cube, 2 to the power 4 into 3. That means 16 into 3, that is 48. Okay. Here also 4 3s are 12, 12 into 6. Acha no, here 4 2s 8, 8 into 6 is 40. 8 into 6, that is 48 only. Okay. So LCM is taking these two terms, taking first term and second term. LCM will be 48. Okay. So 24 2s are 48, that means 2n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 plus 16 3s are 48, that means 3n. Okay. Plus 1 by 32 into 2n by 2n plus 1. Okay, so 2 16s are 32. Okay. Okay, now this will be 48. Okay, so here 2n. Okay, now what will I do? I will multiply these two, n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. Okay, plus 3n. Okay, plus it will be n plus 16 into 2n plus 1. Okay. Okay, now this will be 48 is the LCM. 2n. Acha. n into 2n, that is 2n square. n into 1 plus n. Acha. 1 into 2n, that is plus 2n. 1 into 1 plus 1. Okay. Then plus 3n plus n by 16 into 2n plus 1. Okay. Okay, so this will be 48 2n into 2n square plus 3n plus 1 plus 3n plus n by 16 into 2n plus 1. Okay, so this will be 48. Acha. 4n cube plus 6n square 2n plus 3n. Okay, plus n by 16 into 2n plus 1. Okay, so this will be 48 4n cube plus 6n square plus 5n plus n by 16 into 2n plus 1. Okay, so here this can be written as, from here I can take n common, n into 4n square plus 6n plus 5, 6n plus 5 by 48 plus n into 16 into 2n plus 1. Okay, now comparing this with, see, Sn, this is the Sn. Okay, sum of n terms, 1 by 48 into Fn. So it will be, if we compare this, so if you do 1 by 48 into, okay, into n into 4n square plus 6n plus 5. Okay, the equation was this, is equal to this one plus n into 16, n by 16 into 2n plus 1, plus here also if you see n by 16 into 2n plus 1. Okay, clear? See, if 1 to the power 4 by 1 into 3 plus 2 to the power 4 by 3 into 5 plus 3 to the power 4 by 5 into 7, in this way up to n to the power 4 by 2n minus 1 by 2n plus 1 is equal to this. Okay, then what is the value of f of n? So we have found, at first we have found the Tn was this one, this was the Tn. Okay, we have done operation on Tn, ultimately Tn has come out as this one. Okay, then then sum of n terms, is this one, according to the problem, sum of n terms is this one. So if we have also found the sum of n terms is this one, sigma Tn. Okay, so we have done operation on this, and ultimately our Sn, our sum of n terms is this one. Okay, so comparing these two according to the problem, 1 by 48 into Fn plus n by 16 into 2n plus 1, our sum of n terms is 1 by 48 into, you can find what is the value of Fn, what is the value of f of n. Answer is n into 4n square plus 6n plus 5. So which option do you think? N into 4n square plus 6n plus 5. So therefore f of n is this one, n into 4n square plus 6n plus 5. Okay, so option number B is the correct option. Clear? Thank you.